Hello world language. This is the first thing that you are going to do today. I will send you the link in the chat, so don't worry about that. Everybody is going to do the same activity. Andy, Amy, and Mintwan, Emma, I would like you guys might focus on this first activity because it's a little bit more basic and it just deals with straight vocabulary. And the way this works is you highlight. So what is this? This is an airport. So you highlight airport and then you click on the airport and it moves it. What do you think this is? You click on this and then it moves it. And if you think that's right, then you put it all down. And when you go down to the bottom, you can finish and check it. Alex, Junbum, Lucas, Sunwoo, that you guys will get through that quickly. And then you can move to these other, like spelling different words. And as you go down, the discussions get harder. So you can do as many tasks as you can in the time. But this is what I want people to work on about learning vocabulary for travel and vacation.